Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy again, It's Transform. As you all know, in this channel we always do anything that is amazing to the world. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Vectras VM emulator. It is not actually an Windows 10, Windows 8 or Linux or anything or any Android on our phone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to run Vectras. As you know, Vectras is an open source like the other emulator. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to install it. So how are you going to do it? First of all, in the video you are going to go to your Chrome, and you enter your Chrome, you go to you search Vectras VM APK download. Yes, when you are there you search it. So for this, if you have not joined my Telegram channel, you can kindly join my Telegram channel so that you can follow amazing uploads. So from there you go to Vectras. As you can see, Vectras VM. So welcome to Vectras VM, a virtual machine app for Android based on key EMU. That is it. It is not a wine base. It is based on a key EMU. So from there you just go to the release. So from there you can see it's rebased with VTAMs key EMU 8.14. It is not a wine based emulator. It is a separate operating system. So from there you enter the asset. So when you go to the asset, so you see you install these three elements, the 1 2 3. So you install this, you download this, the 0.3 based on your system, but for the sake of my system I'm going to download these three files. So sometimes you may not need the rest, but when you have downloaded it you have to install. Now let's go to so another one is that you go to this site that will be displayed on your screen. So there you download any of your image that you want. So from here, for the sake of this video, I'm going to download Windows 11. So I'm going to download Windows 11. So when I downloaded Windows 11, so I will install it on my system. So you can download any one of your choice here, anyone you wish to install, but for the sake of this video I'm going to use Windows 11 to install this operating system. So what are you going to do next? So when you have installed it, you install your APK. Don't forget that, install your APK. So when you install your APK, click install. Yes, open. And you open, you allow all permission and make sure your data is switched on. So you download. So when you install it, immediately when your data is on, it is going to download this data package by itself. It takes almost 4 minutes to complete, but for the sake of this video I'm going to fast forward it to 5.5x. so after you are there, you at least you can see it takes up to 3 to 4 minutes. So let it complete, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I kindly seek for that. And if you have not followed me on my Telegram channel, you can kindly go there, go to the description box and follow me with that. So what next again is for us to join this thing if you wish. So from there you see this arrow. Yes, this arrow. So you install any OS of your choice, but for the sake of this we are going to install Windows 10. Windows 10 is going to be installed. Yes, so Windows 10 is going to be installed. So after which you have downloaded your Windows 10, so you are going to click the arrow, so you install it. So after installing it, you have to wait. So when you wait, it is going to take nothing less than 5 minutes, but for the sake of this video I'm going to fast forward the video. So we are done with the installation. So now we are going to start our Windows 11, so which is a x64 build. So that is all, guys. We are done with the installations. As you can see, we are now starting our Windows 11 on our Android. So guys, Vectras is not that stable for now, so we are going to wait for them for future upload, because when I try to open the Windows it takes a lot of time. So you can check it and tell me what you encounter during the process on the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel. And if you have not joined my Telegram group, you can join my Telegram group so that everything will be said and be explained to you there. So thanks for watching my video. You are welcome.